And if we look at AI more broadly, what it means for the economy and productivity, I mean, where are you seeing AI used in the world today? How do you think it could impact the workplace?
I like to break down AI into 5 distinct phases. It's really easy to get caught up in or confused by what AI really means and stands for. The first, infrastructure, the chips, the utilities, the data centers that are being built. Second are the models. We think about ChatGPT and now Microsoft as Copilot. They pop up right up on our browsers. It's becoming a normal way of life. The next steps are more business oriented, where we're going to have productivity enhancement and then profitability margin enhancement. And that will affect, lastly, number 5, the broader market. So that's right now we're seeing an infrastructure build out for sure. The government is putting in massive amounts of money into these things. We have the CHIPS Act. We have chip makers themselves and utilities. They're the best performing sector of the second quarter this year. There's an enormous amount of energy and cooling through water technology in order to process these complex systems. So we're certainly starting to see some of that today.
And Joe, specifically, how do you see AI being translated into the workplace?
So it's still yet to be known if AI is going to empower the average worker or replace them. But what we do know is that smaller companies are going to easily and early on adopt AI technology. And larger companies are going to have very sophisticated models based off of their user and data set. Already, we're starting to see improvements in logistics, in everyday operations, and among other applications. Right now, cybersecurity, the amount of scams and threats that organizations are dealing with, AI will be able to detect those and learn from those and get ahead of them and save companies lots of money that way as well.
And Joe, when we're talking about this technological renaissance, where does it leave the rest of the market? And what does AI mean for productivity in the economy?
I've always viewed technology as a deflationary measure. We're all very familiar with what inflation is. Deflation, essentially cutting costs, making it less expensive for businesses to operate. I think ultimately what, as consumers, we're going to notice are better products that meet our needs in a better, more efficient way. And it's not going to cost us really anything more, because companies will be able to generate and operate more efficiently and a lower cost to them as well.
Stonebriar Wealth Management, advisors for your life.
This is not an offer to buy or sell securities. No investment process is free of risk, and there is no guarantee that the investment process described herein will be profitable. Investors may lose all of their investments. Past performance is not indicative of current or future performance. It is not a guarantee.